Hi and welcome. Today we're talking pizza, one of my favorite foods. I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Greek pizza, which is also vegetarian if you're looking to minimize the meat in your life. And it is just packed with flavor, delicious, some great toppings. And all you need are these ingredients, which I'll go over real quick. I have a ball of dough. I made this in my bread maker. If you want to know how to make it, go back to my cheese pizza video and I show you how to do it in the bread maker with all the ingredients. It's really simple. But if you don't have a bread maker or a stand mixer or you don't want to make it by hand, just go to the store and buy some pre-made dough, okay? It's that simple. All right, now, frozen spinach, 1 box. We're gonna cook that and press all the water out of it. And I have some black olives. We'll use probably half the can. Some sliced banana peppers. I have organic sour cream. I have a tomato, 2 cloves of garlic, oregano and basil, and 3 different cheeses that are gonna go on. I have a sharp cheddar, Mediterranean herb crumbled feta, and I have some shaved Parmesan. So we're gonna put a blend of 3 cheeses on the top for even more flavor. You guys are gonna love this. I'm gonna go ahead and get this dough rolled out and then we're gonna top this pizza up. All right, I've got the pizza dough all rolled out. And now we are going to get a small bowl and mix together a half a cup of sour cream with our garlic. It's 2 cloves of garlic. To that we add 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano. Oh, sorry, that's basil. And 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano. And half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, so instead of like a marinara sauce, this little garlic sour cream mixture goes onto our crust first. Okay, so dough's all ready to go here on a nice large round pizza pan. Oh, by the way, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Okay, so then we're just gonna evenly spread this all over the crust. Perfect. Then I have my spinach that we cooked and I squeezed out all the liquid, and it's just evenly and carefully as you can, you're just gonna kind of scatter it all over the top of the pizza. Okay, if this looks like too much spinach for you, by all means, you know, cut back on it. It's up to you. Okay, so get that nice and even. Okay, next is our black olives. I cut 24 in half, which was about half the can. And then you'll just go ahead and evenly place these on the spinach. Some people really take their time with the toppings. I kind of usually just throw them on there quick because I'm always in a hurry, you know, big family, lots to do, lots to do. All right, so we got those, and that looks like a good amount. So it's 24 black olives sliced, or you could use those canned green olives. They're really buttery. I like those a lot too. Okay, and next are banana peppers. Nice and even over the top. This was probably about 1/3 of a cup worth of banana peppers. You just want enough to give you some good coverage, okay, which looks perfect. And then sliced tomato. I sliced 1 tomato. If you find it's not enough, you can slice more, but I think that's absolutely perfect. Isn't that looking beautiful? The nice color combinations, I love it, love it, love it. And then we're going to sprinkle some more salt over the top, 1/2 teaspoon, sprinkled as evenly as possible over the top. All right. Okay, now for our cheeses, I'm gonna start with the shaved Parmesan. And put a nice little sprinkling over the top of that, okay. That was about 1/4 cup. Okay, and then I shredded that block of cheddar. you know, you can obviously use whatever cheeses you like. You can use cheddar or mozzarella works well for this too. I kind of like to mix them up, but I didn't have any mozzarella today, so I'm just gonna go with the cheddar. Okay, so about a cup of that, and then last, the feta. And you know, feta's a stronger cheese, so if you don't want a lot, put a light sprinkling or none at all, it's up to you. Okay, and that was maybe fourth a cup of the feta. And now this is ready for the oven. So like I said, 425-degree oven for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. You want your cheese nice and brown and bubbly, and you want your crust to be nice and golden brown and have some crispness to it. So we will pop it in the oven and then check it out. Okay, so I baked it for 13 minutes and it looks perfect. See how nice and golden the crust is and how it puffed up really good and the cheese has browned.